Welcome to my journey lifestyle video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for those of who you are new here, my name is Nico Cornias Blanc, and I am excited to take you along on my journey as I navigate my current medical condition and treat your support and encouragement mean word to me to reach out together. We can get through anything. Let's embark on this my journeys together. I believe that sharing my story can provide support and guidance to make a parang experience from the ups and downs to the little victories. I'll be giving you an inside look at what it's like and how I manage to stay positive and hopeful. Lang ako sa indigent family sa aming barangay. Kahit na nakapagtapos ang mga kapatid ko, pero may kanya-kanya na silang pamilya. Kaya dumulog ako sa DSWD at nagpresento ko ng katibayang medikal at barangay agency na malaking tulong upang makuha kong na pamasahe papuntang Legazpi. At i-repair ako sa NOPD. Kaya pumunta ako sa NOPD, yung tinatawag ding Ear, Nose, and Throat Outpatient Department para sa payo o gamot ng tenga na isang pasyente ng NSP. Pinayuan ako na huwag kalikutin, huwag masyadong hawakan at hayaang tumulo, at higit sa lahat, huwag malalagyan ng tubig. At may alagang Pinoy na tagubigin ng OPD department, mag-diet kung kaya, mababang askan, taba, low salt and low fat. Sa aktibidad, kompletong pahingalo o complete bed rest. Maghugas ng kamay before and after na paglilinis ng aking sugat, at 2 beses sa isang araw gamit ang sabon, at syempre maligo araw-araw. Gumastos ako ng 1,500 sa gamutan, sa reseta, at kasama ang pamasahe papuntang ospital. Salamat sa nagbigay ng tulong sa akin. Sa paglinis ko ito gamit ng cotton pads, kaya di na ako gagamit nun. Nasugatan tuloy ang loob ng tenga ko at nabaon ang airwax. Hindi naman kasi inirekomenda yun ng doktor. Acute otitis media, AOM, is an infection of the middle ear, which is the air-filled space behind the eardrum. Common sa young in children but can affect people of all ages. Symptoms na nararanasan ko: earphenotalgia, kahit ngayon nararamdaman ko pa rin. Fever, nilagnat talaga ako nung bago pa lang, halos di ako pinatulog. Irritability, nararanasan ko lalo na pag may lumalabas na tubig. Trouble sleeping, yes, di ako pinatulog ng maayos. Hearing difficulties, hindi ko masyadong naranasan, pero may tumutunog na minutes lang naman ang tagal. Fluid drainage from the air, oo, yung sinasabi nilang buog at may kakaibang amoy. Naranasan na pala nila ito 16th century fa. At isi-share ko naman na yung nireseta sa akin. Polymyxin bisulfate is an antibiotic used to be treated in various bacterial infection. It is used to treat external ear infection, also known otitis externa or swimmer ear, to target bacteria sa ninang infection at matulungang ma-eliminate them. Using polymyxin bisulfate, ear drops, always consult your healthcare provider. 3 drops and 3 times a day. Coamoxiclav, Coamoxiclav, also known by the brand name Raniclav, is often used to treat acute otitis media. Pinaghalong amoxicillin and clavonolic acid. 7 days, 1 tab, 2 times a day. Important to follow the dosage and administration of instructions to provide by healthcare provider. Paracetamol, also known as acetaminophen, is commonly used to help manage pain and fever. This typically dosage for adult is 500 mg in every 4 hours. To take note, not exceed the maximum recommended dose of 3000 mg 3 grams per day. Cetirizine. Dihydrochloride is commonly known as cetirizine, is an antihistamine for itchiness, as needed lang naman. Ascorbic acid or vitamin C can help reduce inflammation and boost the immune system, which aid the treatment of otitis media, a middle ear infection. Basta laging tandaan, pag pupunta tayo ng ospital, laging magdala ng kahit isang one valid ID at alam dapat ang birthday ng magulang at monthly income for interview at magdala ng tubig para stay hydrated. Mas maganda pag may tumbler kahit anong brand, sa akin kasi Aqua Plus.